Hello, everybody. Do you want to become a pollution control officer or PCO accredited by DNR Environmental Management Bureau? If the answer is yes, let's take a look on the legal basis for the requirement for PCO accreditation. DNR Administrative Order 2014-02 revised guidelines for pollution control officer accreditation. Why we need to have an accredited pollution control officer? Well, the main reason is there will be a requirement for accredited pollution control officer if the establishment discharges solid, liquid, or gaseous waste to the environment or whose activities, products, or services are actual and or potential sources of land, water, or air pollution. So there will be requirement for an accredited PCO. But the question is how to become an accredited pollution control officer. Where let us be very specific. Applying for an accreditation requires you to use the appropriate platform pco.emb.gov.ph. This will direct you to the application system for pollution control officer accreditation. And you will be required to create an account. You can use your personal email, your your email to sign up for an online PCO account, your desired password, and then tick I agree to the terms and then push register button. After pushing this button, there will be a DNR notification to the registered email to activate this account. Once activated, you may now go to the online accreditation system through pco.emb.gov.ph and then use your registered email and password for the application for accreditation. So next video will be the process on how to apply for accreditation. But one thing is sure, during the application, you will be required to submit pertinent requirements. Among many requirements is the appointment or designation letter as pollution control officer. So therefore, somebody in the top management in your organization to appoint or designate you as pollution control officer. So in this appointment letter addressed to the regional director of EMB regional office and the appointment, the name of the appointed or designated PCO, the company or establishment he or she representing, and the location. This appointment letter is signed by the managing head and confirmed by the PCO. So as the PCO, you have the acceptance to this appointment or designation as pollution control officer of the company to perform the duties and responsibilities as exemplified in Section 10 of Dow 2014-02. So if you want to become an accredited pollution control officer, use the appropriate platform for the application for accreditation, submit pertinent requirements among many, the appointment or designation letter as PCO or pollution control officer signed by the managing head. The details of the application will be posted in the separate video. Thank you for listening. Thank you for watching this video. I am Engineer Jeric Picasso. Protect the environment, protect life.